The obvious secret. Wealth does not hide. It repeats, in patterns, in behavior, in quiet decisions made far from attention. And yet, most people never see it. Not because the information is locked away, but because it looks ordinary. You are told wealth is built through hard work, patience, consistency. All true, but incomplete. Because alongside visible rules, there are invisible ones. Rules that shape access, timing, perception, and opportunity. Tonight, we explore the secrets to building wealth everyone misses. Not shortcuts, not guarantees, but patterns that quietly separate trajectories over time. Ideas debated by experts, contradicted by evidence, dismissed as coincidence, until they repeat. Before we begin, subscribe and enable notifications, because this archive examines hidden truths you won't see explained this way anywhere else. And the first secret begins with something unsettling. Wealth often grows before it becomes visible. Secret 1. Invisible momentum. Most people expect wealth to look like progress, higher income, better lifestyle, clear signals. But invisible momentum works differently. Skills compound quietly. Networks deepen silently. Reputation accumulates without announcement. By the time wealth appears visible, the foundation is already years old. This creates confusion. Observers see outcomes, they miss buildup. One theory says wealth is primarily discipline, repeated actions over time. Another argues it is positioning, being close to opportunity when it appears. Discipline versus positioning. Consistency versus proximity. Both explain part of the story. Neither explains everything. Because momentum requires both motion and direction. If this resonates, type momentum in the comments. Because naming invisible processes makes them visible. But momentum alone does not create wealth. The second secret reveals why many people work hard and remain stuck. True financial momentum often begins long before money appears in the bank. Learning a valuable skill, refining it over months or years, compounds silently. Each small project, each mistake, each iteration builds credibility that others notice but few quantify. Relationships deepen quietly. Mentors offer advice. Peers provide referrals. Collaborators amplify your reach. These networks and reputations act like invisible engines, converting time and effort into opportunities that far outpace immediate earnings. By the time a paycheck reflects your work, the foundation has been laid for exponential growth. Those who invest in skills, trust, and connections early often leap ahead of peers who chase immediate income alone. The invisible accumulation compounds, creating financial acceleration that feels sudden only to outsiders, though it has been decades in the making. Secret 2. The misunderstood role of risk. Risk is often portrayed as danger, loss, failure, instability. But wealth introduces a different definition: calculated exposure. Small risks repeated, rather than large risks avoided. Here the conflict emerges again. Traditional advice: protect what you have. Growth-oriented advice: expose yourself to opportunity. Safety versus expansion. avoidance versus experimentation. Many people interpret risk as recklessness. Others interpret caution as stagnation. Both interpretations contain truth. But the missed secret is this: risk tolerance shapes opportunity visibility. People who never risk rarely see leverage. People who risk blindly often lose stability. So the real variable becomes interpretation. What feels dangerous to one person feels normal to another, and that difference compounds over years. If this challenges your thinking, type risk in the comments, because awareness changes decision thresholds. Halfway through this story, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, do I avoid risk or misunderstand it? If that question creates tension, you are close to hidden knowledge. And if you want more explorations like this, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Because the final secret is the most unsettling. It questions effort itself. Small experiments act as training grounds for risk without stakes that could destroy you. A side project, a freelance gig, or a personal venture allows trial and error on a manageable scale. Each failure teaches faster than any textbook, and each success compounds quietly, building confidence and skill. Learning cycles, testing ideas, iterating, measuring results, turn uncertainty into controlled feedback. You begin to understand leverage, timing, and market response without jeopardizing your primary income or lifestyle. Over months and years, these experiments accumulate knowledge, credibility, and occasionally revenue, creating a sandbox for financial growth. What looks like casual exploration to outsiders is in fact strategic preparation, quietly expanding capacity for larger ventures while keeping the potential cost of failure low and manageable. Secret 3. Effort does not scale. Effort creates progress, but effort alone rarely creates wealth. Because effort has limits, time limits, energy limits, attention limits. Scaling requires something different: systems, ownership, leverage. This is where many journeys diverge quietly. Two people work equally hard. One builds systems. One maintains effort. Years later, outcomes separate dramatically. Not because one worked harder, but because one worked in a way that multiplies. This introduces another conflict. Some argue everyone can scale with the right mindset. Others argue scaling depends on access, environment, timing, agency versus structure, personal control versus systemic constraint. Again, both true. Again, incomplete. Because the secret is not choosing one explanation. It is recognizing tension between them and learning to navigate uncertainty inside that tension. But this realization leads to a deeper question. If effort does not scale, what should? Ownership is the hidden engine of lasting wealth. Equity in a business, content that generates royalties, patents, trademarks, and tangible assets all create streams of value that work even when you sleep. Unlike wages, which vanish once hours are over, ownership compounds. One share can grow silently for decades. One piece of intellectual property can produce revenue repeatedly with minimal intervention. People who accumulate ownership, even modest amounts, gain leverage that scales far beyond effort alone. Over time, these holdings amplify financial trajectories, creating disparities that appear sudden but are years in the making. The distinction is subtle. Two people may earn identical salaries, Yet the one who owns a fraction of something grows steadily richer while the other remains dependent, trading time directly for income. The pattern without conclusion. Invisible momentum. Interpreted risk. Scalable effort. 3 secrets often visible only in hindsight. None guarantee wealth. None eliminate struggle. But all shift perception. And perception changes behavior. Yet uncertainty remains. Some people follow these patterns and still struggle. Others ignore them and succeed through timing or luck. This contradiction frustrates experts and defines reality. Because wealth is not a single system. It is overlapping systems: psychological, economic, social, technological. Which means no single explanation satisfies. But one pattern repeats consistently. Those who notice patterns earlier move differently. If this video shifted your perspective, subscribe and enable notifications, because upcoming episodes explore silent wealth signals, invisible leverage, and the psychology behind opportunity recognition. And now we leave you with the question that refuses a simple answer. If wealth patterns are visible, why do most people see them too late? Comment one word: awareness. If recognition is the missing factor. Access, if opportunity determines trajectory. Or timing, if neither awareness nor access guarantees outcomes. Because the most powerful secrets are rarely hidden. They are simply overlooked, and the archive is still watching.